Hi guys, Nat here from Serpwizz, and we're back again with another tutorial / review of our From the SEMRUSH series that we're currently doing. And while last time we learned about creating a project right here, today we're going to tackle about the SEO dashboard that SEMRUSH has. So here we have the SEO toolkit, as well as all the features that we're going to get from this tool alone. So that's competitive research, keyword research, link building, as well as on-page and technical SEO. So just a quick run through over the features right here. So when you click on competitive research, you're going to get these features such as domain overview, traffic analytics, organic research, keyword gap, backlink. And for keyword research, we have keyword overview, keyword magic tool, position tracking. For link building, we have backlink analytics, backlink audit, link building tool. And for on-page and technical SEO, we have site audit, SEO template, on-page SEO checker, and that's it for these 4 categories for our SEO toolkit. So what we're gonna do right now is just gonna enter a domain. Let's just use Serpwizz as always and click create project right here. So let's just wait for it to load up and see what it's gonna look like. If it's gonna look the same as what we did. Oh yeah. So here is, or this is what it looked like as well when we created a project. When we click on this one, created a project there. So this pretty much looked the same. Nothing different. It's just it still has all of these tools that we need to set up, and as well as these results right here that we have gone over on the previous video that we made. So what we're just gonna do is click on SEO dashboard again. So here is the SEO dashboard, which is with the domain analytics, and the authorities. The under domain analytics is our authority score, which is, if you're not familiar with some term, you can just hover your mouse on these information buttons right here, and you're gonna get a quick information or quick description of what those terms mean. So here, the authority score of Serpwizz.com according to SEMRUSH is 29, and in SEMRUSH ranking, that's 7.7 million as of August 2022. And here we also have organic traffic, which is the number of users expected to visit an analyzed domain in the following month. And we are happy seeing this green 100% right here, so that just means that the trend is going up. And then organic keywords here, which also went up. Paid keywords, we haven't done any of those. And referring domains right here, sadly it went a little down. So previously it's at 387 and currently it's at 367, so that's a 20-point deduction on our score. And here we can set up all of these tools, and then here we get a look at the traffic analytics, which is from SEMRUSH data. You can also view Google data if you prefer that. Just click on right there, but we're sticking with SEMRUSH data, and this is for July 2022. Oh yeah, so here if you click on the Google data, then you're gonna be brought on over to sign in with your Google account. And here we have the metrics as well as results for traffic, in terms of traffic rather. So visits, estimations of any website's desktop and mobile traffic based on SEMRUSH proprietary AI. So this is what's expected I'm currently at 8.7 thousand for July 2022. So that's a 500 gap from the previous month. Unique visitors sadly is down. Pages or visit up, and then average visit duration. So this is the average length of stay of the visitors in the website, and then the bounce rate is up as well. So here we just see a visualization of these results as they go month to month. So this is ongoing trends that we're seeing. If you're not familiar with the colors, you can just refer to these legends below, or you can also view full report. Let's see what this viewing a full report would look like. So that's it for the full report. So you can see here there's a view sample report as well. So just gonna go back to what we're currently or previously viewing. So basically this is summarization of the reports that you're gonna get if you sign up for for a subscription plan with SEMRUSH. So here we take a look at organic keywords. The country is currently filtered to United States, but you can absolutely change that, and then you can also change the device that you're using. Here you can filter depending on what you're currently needing or what you currently want to see. So basically a lot of different filters and variations in terms of reports that you're gonna get. Here are the keywords that are currently trending or in ranking, and here are the position transition from what they used to be to what they are right now, as well as the volume and traffic of all of those. You can also get a full view report here. And here with backlink analytics, then we get the referring domains over the last 12 months and see the trend on all of those as we take a look at this graph. Or if you also want to get by authority score, then you're just gonna have to look at these results right here. And here we like we have previously seen on the projects dashboard, can connect to Google services and also add hidden widgets right here. And that is it for our SEO dashboard. So basically it's just gonna look pretty much the same as we go through all of these tools. What's just gonna change would be the metrics as well as the results, and if we set up some additional tools right here, then definitely that's gonna affect how the overall interface would look like. But as far as the simple steps go with creating your SEO dashboard, that's it. Very simple, very straight to the point. You're gonna get a lot those results that are accurate results that you're looking for, and that is it if you use SEMrush's tools and features. So we're gonna do a lot more of these videos on the next couple of days as we tackle over all of these right here. So we hope to see you again on the next one, and if you enjoy or like this video from us, then definitely click on the subscribe button for Serpwizz, and then don't be shy to like and comment on this video as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next one.